Guys, my name is Juliana and today I'm super excited because I'm going to be unboxing the Eureka AirSpeed Vacuum Cleaner. I've been so excited about this vacuum cleaner, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. So whenever you first open it, you'll notice that the literal vacuum is right here, all put together already, which is absolutely awesome. And, well, not completely put together, but like pretty much mostly put together. Then we have our manual, which I'll show you in just a moment. Then we have our vacuum handle. Then we have a filter attachment or dust filter, and then another attachment right here. Then another attachment, crevice attachment, and let's see, definitely plenty of things to keep the vacuum nice and safe. And yep, so that's everything that comes inside. So it doesn't come with a million pieces, which is absolutely awesome. So you can see right here, we have our vacuum canister right here. Then we have our vacuum handle. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what that looks like. So, boom. So this is the vacuum handle right here. Super comfortable, easy to hold. And then it looks like it has, yeah, literally just popped into place. So super cool. Then we have our different attachments right here. So we've got our crevice tool right here. So a nice crevice tool, which is wonderful for like couches and getting all of those hard to reach spaces. Then we have our dust filter right here. So, which is absolutely amazing. That comes with an extra dust filter. So that's what that looks like. Then we have another attachment. This is a dust brush. So you can see it comes with the little bristles, so super cool. And then we have our user manual. So our owner's guide. Let me go ahead and show you guys that up close. So has cool pictures and everything, which is absolutely amazing. So it shows you how to assemble and use it and everything. So super cool, and shows you how to like use your attachments. And then, yep. So let's go ahead and open up this part we're all excited for, I'm sure. So, wow, this looks amazing. I absolutely love how like space savvy this vacuum cleaner is. It's not like clunky or anything, which is perfect, especially if you live in a smaller space or you want something that doesn't take up too much space. This vacuum cleaner definitely space savvy and looks adorable. And you can definitely tell it's very heavy duty. It has some powerful bristles on the bottom, some very huge wheels that make gliding on literally any surface of the floor easy. Tile, hardwood floor, carpet, all that fun stuff. It actually works amazing as well on hardwood floor, which is awesome. So you can see it's got a nice and spacious canister, and you literally just press this button and this is how you get to the canister. And then to open the canister, you just simply press this right here, and then it'll come open just like that. Here, let me see. Boom. So sorry, I was holding it. I didn't realize I was holding it. But yeah, so you literally just press that, and that's how the dustbin opens very easily. Boom, just like that. And then this is how you get to the filter right here. If you need to replace your filter, that's where these filters go. So super cool. Boom, I'm gonna go ahead and close that and pop it back into place. Boom. Oh, I'm literally facing it the wrong way, guys. I don't know what I'm doing today. And then you can see this is where the tube is, and this is how you can use the different handheld features. So you can put your crevice tool here and then use it like that. So super cool. Then you simply just put this back here. As you can see, it's got a nice long cord with a 2-prong outlet. And then this button right here is how you get out of its upright position. You press it, and then that's the power button right there. So super cool, very easy to use. And then you literally just slide the handle this way into position, and it locks so easily into place. Like, this vacuum cleaner is so easy to use and absolutely so amazing. It's literally so, like, it literally feels like a feather. Like, even though it's very powerful and heavy duty, it literally feels like it just glides so easily, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and turn it on really fast just to hear what it sounds like. So I'm going to go ahead and unravel this, and you can see super nicely raveled up. So it's got a pretty long and spacious cord, which is absolutely awesome. So you won't have to replug the cord a million times around the house. Boom. Yeah, It glides very easily and is definitely very powerful, and it's also not too loud as well. So thanks for watching, guys.